Papua is not only known for its natural beauty, wealth of arts and culture, but also for natural resources including tuber agriculture and abundant fisheries. However, interest in the farming sector has begun to grow ever since the Papua Youth Creative Hub started to involve young Papuans in developing this sector, particularly poultry farming. Brigit Farm near Jayapura is a layer poultry farm that is breaking new ground in Papua's farming industry, which has been long traditionally focused on pig husbandry and vegetable cultivation. Owned by Brigita Hisage, this farm is run by just 2 people whose daily tasks including feeding the chickens, collecting and sorting eggs, and selling them at the night market. Brigita says her chickens are fed twice a day in the morning and afternoons, ensuring steady egg laying and yield. The chickens also require vitamins 3 times a week and vaccination once every 6 weeks, all to maintain their health and quality of the eggs. With consistent measures, 95% of the chickens can lay up to 2,000 eggs daily, which are then sorted into 70 racks. For Brigita, egg farming is a major economic opportunity since each rack could fetch some 65,000 rupiahs on average.
These are the 60-gram eggs that we have collected from the farm earlier, and now we'll begin to sort it according to its size. Aku taruh sini ya, Kak?
Iya.
Berarti ini kita sortir berdasarkan ukurannya?
Iya, benar.
Oke, apa saja, Kak, ukurannya?
Mulai dari 50 gram, 60 gram, 70, 65, 70, sampai 80.
Oh, begitu. Oke. Kalau di sini ada berapa ekor sih, Kak, ayamnya?
Ada 2.100 ekor.
2.100.
Iya, benar.
Dan peternakan kabri kita ini dibangunnya di tahun berapa, Kak?
Saya mulai dari tahun 2022 dengan populasi 53 ekor. Kemudian 2023 saya difasilitasi lagi sama pendamping dari Papua Youth Creative Hub, sehingga saya menambah populasi 1.200 ekor. Jadi saya punya 2.100 ekor sekarang.
Wow, perkembangannya pesat banget ya, Kak?
Iya, puji Tuhan.
Oh gitu. Tapi kenapa sih, Kak, kepikiran bangun peternakan gitu awalnya?
Awalnya saya gabung di Papua Youth Creative Hub itu 2019, ikut teman-teman untuk turun lapangan, untuk pendampingan ke masyarakat, kemudian punya keinginan juga untuk punya usaha, karena kan selama ini kita hanya pendampingan ke teman-teman pelaku UMKM. Saya berpikir, kenapa saya tidak bikin usaha? Jadi punya niat untuk punya ayam sendiri.
Brigita created Papua Youth Creative Hub for assistance in developing her business, including through various training courses that have made it easier for a farm to reach optimum results. Papua Youth Creative Hub was launched by President Joko Widodo in 2023 and supported by State Intelligence Agency, or BIN. The hub serves as a space for Papuan youth to develop ideas and businesses in various sectors, namely farming, fisheries, agriculture, MSMEs, and creative industries.
Dengan adanya wadah seperti Papua Youth Creative Hub ini yang didirikan atau yang diberikan oleh Bapak Presiden Jokowi, tempat ini menjadi wadah dan juga menjadi salah satu fasilitas yang bisa menjadi jalan untuk mengembangkan potensi-potensi anak-anak yang ada di Papua.
Not only providing training and assistance to communities and members, Pitch also provides essential support, be it through funding or networking. Since joining the Pitch community, Brigita has been able to upscale her farming business, generating a monthly turnover of 117 million rupiahs and a net profit of 59 million. In just a few years, what was once a struggle to secure orders and customers has now turned into a need to boost supply. And in the near future, Brigitta plans to add more chickens and build more cages on her farm. Poultry farming is relatively new to Papua, but as the demand for eggs rises, more people are beginning to see the potential in this sector, with the small farming communities continue to emerge in Jayapura.
Harapannya semoga teman-teman muda Papua, khususnya yang ada di Jayapura, bisa melihat potensi yang ada, karena di Jayapura sendiri kebutuhan untuk konsumsi telur sangat tinggi, namun masih bisa dibilang kurang sehingga masih didatangkan dari Surabaya dan Makassar. Kita punya tanah ini sangat luas, khususnya pesan untuk teman-teman muda Papua, jika orang tua punya lahan yang kosong bisa dimanfaatkan untuk usaha, bisa mulai dari pertanian, perikanan, dan juga pertanian sendiri, sehingga kita punya ekonomi bisa sejahtera.
As more young people recognize the economic potential of this sector, the farming industry in Papua will continue to grow and contribute to the region's economic development, paving the way for the future of farming in Papua. Adelia Dinda, Hanif Abdu, and Ferry Ahmad for See Today.